Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach polynomial chapter. Okay, now the first exercise is the graph of y is equal to p of x are given below. Fine. For some polynomials p of x, find the number of zeros of p of x, that is polynomial of x. This is the first question. This is horizontal x axis, vertical y axis. This is the given graph. Fine. This graph is not cutting this x axis. So number of zeros of a p of x is a 0 because this graph it is not intersecting the x axis. So what I have written here, graph does not cut the x axis. Fine. Now second question. So this is the x axis, this is y axis, this is the given graph. You can see the given graph it is intersecting at x at only one time. So p of x is 1. That is nothing but number of zeros of p of x is 1 because it is intersecting at only one time. Third one. So this is the given graph. You can see 1, 2 and 3. So p of x, that is number of zeros, is 3 here. Okay. Now fourth one. So this is the given graph. You can see number of zeros of p of x is a 2. Fine. Fifth one. So this is the given graph 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of zeros here is a 4. It means the graph intersect at 4 times on the x axis. Fine. Sixth one. You can see the graph 1 time 2, 3. So p of x is 3. So this completes your first exercise. Let's move on to the next exercise. So exercise 9.2. Find zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify between zeros and coefficients. So the first question is x square minus 2x minus 8. This is the last digit. Okay, or you can tell last term. So you need to find two numbers. If you multiply, you should get this number. If you add this, you should get this number. So 4 2s are 8. Plus 2 minus 4 will become minus 2. Fine. Now, if this is plus, make it minus. If this is minus, make it plus. So, x is equal to minus 2 is alpha. X is equal to plus 4 is a beta. Now, this is in the form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, this is in this form. Now, what is here coefficient? Nothing. Nothing means it is 1. B is minus 2. C is a minus 8. Fine. Now sum and a product. Sum is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha is minus 2 plus beta is 4 is equal to minus b value is minus 2 and a value is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Minus into minus is plus 2. So 2 is equal to 2. LHS is equal to RHS. Now product. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. This is the formula. So alpha is minus 2, beta is 4. 4 2s are 8. Here there is a minus. So I have written minus. So C is minus 8 and A is 1. So minus 8. So minus 8 is equal to minus 8. LHS is equal to RHS. This completes your first sum. Same method is applicable for all the sums. So second sum is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Here coefficient was nothing, so this is a different method of solving. Here coefficient is there, so you need to multiply this coefficient with the last term. 4 1s are 4. So now you need to find two numbers. If you multiply, you should get 4. If you add, you should get minus 4. So those two terms are minus 2 and minus 2. Are you understanding? So 4s square minus 2s plus 1. Now in these two, what is common? 2s is common. So what is remaining? 2 is remaining. 2 2s are 4. S into s is s square. Minus 1 because I have taken common. And minus 1. So this term will remain here. But plus will become minus because I have taken common here. Minus into minus will become plus. You can see again these two are common here. And the remaining term is 2s minus 1. So s is equal to minus 1 goes on the right hand side. This 2 will come in denominator. Again yes, minus goes on the right hand side, this 2 will come in the denominator. Now let us see this ABC quadratic equation form. A, what is the coefficient? 4. B, what is the coefficient? Minus 4. C, what is the coefficient? It is 1. Now again, sum and product. Sum is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. What is alpha? 1 upon 2. What is beta? 1 upon 2. You can tell half plus half is 1. Fine. Now minus, I have written outside. What is b value? Minus 4. Minus into minus is plus. B is 4 and a is also 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. So it remaining is 1. So 1 equal to 1. LHS is equal to RHS. Now product. Alpha into beta is equal to C by A. This is the formula. What is alpha? It is 1 by 2. What is beta? It is 1 by 2. What is C? C is 1 here. And what is A? It is 4. 2 2s are 4. You need to multiply the denominator. Remember, don't get confused. This is multiplication and this is addition. Fine. So 2 2s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4. LHS is equal to RHS. This is verified. So let's move on to the next question. Now, third question. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. It is not in the quadratic equation correct form. So you need to rearrange this. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. I have rearranged. Now this is in the standard form. So A, what is the coefficient? 6. B, it is minus 7. C is minus 3. Now first term and last term you need to multiply. 6 3s are 18 minus 18. You need to find two numbers. If you multiply, you should get the last term. If you add, you should get this term. So 9 2s are 18, minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. Fine. Now I have written here 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus last term. You should not write this term. Fine. Let me take common in these two. Okay. Now this is 3x. So what is the remaining? 2x minus 3. You will get this term. There is no common in this, so I have taken 1. Write the same as it is. So write 2x minus 3. This 3x right here plus 1 right here. X is equal to minus 3. When goes to the right hand side, it will become plus 3. This 2 will come in denominator. Now here this side x plus 1 goes to the right hand side, it will become minus 1. This 3 will come in denominator. This is alpha and this is beta. So sum is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. This is the formula. What is alpha? It is 3 by 2 from here. What is beta? It is minus 1 upon 3. I have written here. Minus I have written outside. B value is again minus 7. A value is a 6. It is 6. Okay. Now you take a LCM of this. You will get 3 3s are 9. Minus 2 1s are 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 by 6. 3 2s are 6. Here minus into minus is plus. 7 upon 6. Fine. Now product is equal to alpha into beta is equal to C upon A. Alpha is 3 by 2 from here. Beta is minus 1 upon 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. Can you see? Minus 1 upon 2 is remaining. Here also C value is minus 3 and A value is 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are minus 1 upon 2. Fine. Now fourth sum. Here 4 u square plus 8u. There is no last term. When there is no last term, you can directly take common. So 4u is common, u plus 2 is remaining. So this I have equated to 0. So 4 will become 0. So u value has become 0. This u plus 2, when plus 2 goes on the right hand side, it will become minus 2. This is alpha, this is beta. Alpha plus beta. Alpha is 0, beta is minus 2. Now here A value is 4, B value is 8, C we don't have, so it is 0. Fine. Now minus B value is 8, A value is 4. Here 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 4 1s are 4 2s are, so it is minus 2. Fine. Now alpha into beta, so alpha is 0, beta is minus 2. Here don't get confused, here you are multiplying. 0 into minus 2 is 0. Here you are subtracting. Okay. So 0, C is 0 here, A is 4, 0 divided by 4 is 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now sixth sum, 3x square minus x minus 4. First term is 3, last term is 4. 3 4s are 12. Since there is a minus here, two terms are 4 and minus 3. I have given you a hint. I want you to solve this and let me know the answer in the comment section. Now fifth question, t square minus 15. Minus 15 goes to the right hand side, it will become plus 15. This square, when goes to the right hand side, it will become root. But t is equal to plus or minus root of 15. So once I have taken positive 15, once I have taken negative root of 15. So a is a 1, coefficient is nothing here. B we don't have, so 0. C is minus 15. Okay, sum alpha is positive root 15, beta is negative root 15 is equal to minus b value is 0 here and a value is 1. 0 divided by 1 is 0 and the minus in 0 is also 0 itself. These two get cancelled, so it is 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Now product alpha into beta is equal to C upon A. Alpha is root 15, beta is minus root 15 and C is minus 15, A value is 1. Minus 15 upon 1 is minus 15. When we are multiplying with the same number of roots, then we will get that same number. So minus 15 is equal to minus 15. Fine. Next question. Find the quadratic polynomials for the given sum and the product. Fine. This is the formula. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square, in place of alpha plus beta write 1 by 4. In place of alpha beta write minus 1. There should not be any number in the denominator. So which number will be there? With that number I am multiplying. Fine. So if I multiply with this, I get 4x square. This 4 and this 4 get cancelled. So it is minus 1x minus 4 ones are 4. Fine. Second question. It is root 2 and 1 by 3. You have to substitute here in this formula. Root 2 alpha plus beta and alpha beta 1 by 3. Try solving this and let me know the answer in the comment section. I hope you understood this chapter and thank you for watching. Keep watching our videos. Thank you.